the Andrew Favorite Subject narrative. It's from ASL to English. I'm going to put this piece of paper over my camera because it bothers me to watch myself. But I just wanted to show my face so that you knew it was me. Okay, well, I lost the paper. There it is. So here it goes. My favorite's math. I really enjoy it, and learning about math is very interesting to me. There's math, there's different types of math I enjoy, like the addition, the subtraction, the division. I really like learning about that kind of stuff. It's very enjoyable. I like to make things with like the kinetic stuff. That's really cool for me. Kinects are kind of like, you just put them together. There's like 4 different sizes. There's a very big one. There's about a medium one where you can make a helicopter. I really like the helicopter one. And then there's one where my dad actually gave me. It's like to make a tractor trailer kind of thing. But it's really cool. I really like them. Yeah, there's 2 shows that I really enjoy watching. They're really the only 2 that I enjoy watching because, I'm a kid. So I really like them though. I really like watching them because they have a lot of different kind of characters and a lot of different like storylines behind them, like special effects and stuff like that. So I really enjoy them for those reasons. Yeah, actually, there's this one thing that I want to make that's kind of like for your arm. And what happens is, like, there'll be something that's kind of like, English, ASL, but it will sign for you, and so that you can understand it and you can, like, read the language, but while you're reading it or while somebody's saying it, it will sign it for you. Yeah, I change rooms a lot in my school, and the tables, they kind of change a lot too. Like, you have the different tables that have like the phones on them, books, and at the library they have the big tables with the computer so that you can type, and then like when you're finished, the paper will come out. So they've changed like that, and I think they'll continue to change. In middle school, how the tables can sit in different arrangements, I think they should like sit in a circle form with someone staying in the middle to like communicate and to talk and stuff, but I think that we should be set up in that kind of arrangement so that if you can't understand, you could like talk to the person beside you and ask, or you can go to the lunchroom. And I feel like on the chairs there should be like little buttons to where like if you forgot something, you could just like press the button and you would have it instead of having to like raise your hand. I also think the chair should have a hand for you to where like if you had a question, you just press the button and it would raise your hand for you. Yeah, I'd go to PE and play with different special things, and where you like build the walls, and you can also swim and exercise in the gym. So I'd exercise like that in PE still. Yeah, I imagine this car that like it doesn't really work unless it's like it now uses like electricity and battery power. And I think the video first. Yeah. Like my idea is like the battery operated cars, except it's a battery operated skateboard. So like I put a battery on the bottom side of the skateboard, and then you would just be able to go. You wouldn't be in the way, and the battery would make it roll. So yeah, it's titled Aliens World. It's a small world in the ozone layer. And, it's right there. It's very small. It's a planet, and it's called 2003. Well, they have like many soldiers there that like travel from the Earth to that new planet. But all of a sudden, what happened was the president came to present to the people, and then like when he left, it was all confusing. It was confusing because the president took the alien soldier with him. But the alien soldier first, he types out and sends a letter back to the planet 2003, and the president then brings the alien back to Earth. The soldier then finds a place to establish himself and to plant and to grow trees and stuff, and then finally he gets to go back to 2003 where all the aliens are just working. So what happened was an astronaut, the parents went into the rocket ship and went from Earth to Planet 2003. He arrives to Planet 2003, and he looks and he realizes it looks way different than Earth. 2003 has different friends and different offices. So he went to the office and he was describing to a couple that, he's here to take pictures and to document what's going on to put into the paper back on Earth.